thought that I'll be a very strict mom, and this is when I know already. This is what the balcony looks like so far.
Good morning. 뭐냐?
Good morning, Emma. Good morning. Good morning. Good. Ajo, Amma Popo. Amma Popo. Amma Popo. Thank you. Adiga. And someone is eating his favorite breakfast. What are you doing there? Oh. Pitu, that's a fork. You can fork it. Sit.
Enjoy, mama. Yeah. Monday is mommy's workout day, and my. 왜? 바꿀게, 아빠 바꿀게. He doesn't like when he doesn't like something comes on channel which he doesn't like, then he give me indication for that. So I have to change according to his taste. Funny thing is, it's important to know what he likes and all. When emergency comes, it really helps. Like when he gets hurt, when he's very cranky, then quickly switch on something so that he's okay. I've done it. He's waiting.
So it's 12:30 right now, and I finished my workout at 11, and then I did some work, and then Gonu had to leave around 12 o'clock, so he's gone for work, and Youngjae is still watching his cartoon. So on weekdays, this is how usually it is. In the morning, we just let him be because we also have to finish our work. Since I'm a bit free right now, I'll just show you what I made in last couple of days. So I think one of the best things that I made was this pin cushion, and I'm also making them for someone right now. Then this is another wall hanging that I made, and I made something like this last time also, and I think I've shown it on the vlogs, but I really like this one. Like, even I think Gonu was like that this has come out better than the last one. Craft room is just getting piled up with stuff, although I did get this shelf, a second-hand shelf, and place some of my stuff over here. But look at this side. I mean, I got these two beds. It's like a bunk bed, but I really like the frame on the side, and I plan to use one of them as a sofa, like divan kind of thing. Show you the balcony, which is still not over. Still a lot of work to, not a lot, but I got so busy with so many other things that I had to stop in between. But this is what the balcony looks like so far. Like, that wall is completely finished, and this side is almost done. I just have to paste this small section, which has been just lying like this since last like 2 weeks. I've also put these shelves here. These used to be my curtain pelmet, and I took that wood out and cut it into half, and then I placed them over here as floating shelves. I'm going to put a lot of pots over here. I have to paint all of those pots, and all those pots are there with me. I just have to take out time and paint them. And then the best element was this shelf. Okay, the best thing about this shelf is that it's foldable. So I have these okay, I think I need help. Okay, no. So it's foldable. You can just fold it, and I made it foldable because I was scared that Youngjae runs around and what if he bangs his head to the corner. So we can usually just keep it folded, and the bar stools can be in front of it, and we can place some plants on that. But actually it's not that broad, so it's usually just up all the time. But if I'm going to make it broader, then it would be helpful because then we can just fold it, and it's so simple to put it up. You can see this balcony one is right in front of our bedroom, and then it's right next to the living room where we spend most of the time, and you can enter the living room from here. And the reason it's so functional is because I can see the TV. That is the TV. You can't see it because of the glass, but you can see the TV. If the weather is good, you can literally sit outside and dine and just like even watch TV and like, so it's like an extended living room. So Gonu just got back home. He's super tired. I think it's been half an hour though. And what did you do, Gonu, today?
Huh?
What did you do?
Move on and Packers.
One Packers. He had gone to pick up something from someone's house and
I mean, by mistake. I thought it would be like okay, manageable. Oh man, this AC, the outer unit is very heavy.
he had gone to pick up 2 ACs.
Very hot. Today morning I felt the heat.
Yeah.
Eventually today it hit 40 today. So
Yeah. So meanwhile, the dinner is getting ready. We thought we'll share something with you guys. So we noticed yesterday that I don't know how we came on that topic, how we came about that. Like I think in the morning, Gonu mentioned it to me. I think you suddenly came to me and you told me that he's not scared of this. So we realized that okay, so it's something to do with disciplining your kids, and frankly for us it's like I know we both have grown up in an Asian household where during our generation we were definitely beaten up, or
don't worry, same here, nice in school.
that's what I'm saying, like that's a different story. We are talking about parents beating the kids.
Sorry.
So I have also gone through that, like of course, and my dad never hit me, but my mom has, and Gonu though definitely. No,
My dad-
Gonu
my
by
dad.
his dad, not by his mom at all. So and nicely, and of course we laugh about it now, but but we can't do it with Youngji. Like I've met parents and I've met moms who very normally tell me that they are already
Educating kids with this
disciplining kids in that manner, and at such a young age. Like, but frankly I'm not okay with it, not because it just normally I don't feel like doing it. Like I can't do it. He's so small, and I understand that I totally understand that he doesn't understand things. That's why he's doing things in a certain way, and I don't think so. Instead of compassion, if I show him such kind of harshness and strictness, is something that's not in me. Like I can't do it. I always thought that I'll be a very strict mom because that's the kind of upbringing I had, but I can't. So we noticed yesterday that because we've never done this with him, he is actually, so Gonu, do it to me.
No, like for example, huh?
So you just saw what happened, na? Like even if he brings his hand close to me, and this is when I know already. This is like I know that he's going to do it, and my eyes twitch, and there's a movement in my face to avoid it. Like it comes so naturally, even though you know that it's coming. Now I didn't. Even though you know that it's coming. It's just fake and whatever, he's not going to do it, but you just flinch. And in Youngjae's case, he doesn't flinch at all. Like I tried it on Gonu also, and Gonu also flinches, but Youngjae doesn't. Like Gonu, show once. Of course you're not going to hit him because that's something we don't want to promote, but we also want to tell people out there that this just instills fear in them, and it has instilled fear even in us, and we are adults now and we still have that.
Because what I'm trying to say is, that he knows that this sign doesn't mean that it's going to hit him. He knows this is sign of he's going to they're going to pyari pari with me only, like eventually.
Yeah,
So
it's
he
just so it's a
that
sign of,
only.
he understands this as a sign of affection rather than
Scolding or making him
anything
correction or
harsh.
something.
Yeah, so whenever we do this,
It's fine.
like nothing happens. Nothing happens.
He knows. Really cute. He knows.
I don't know if it happens.
Picture.
By the way, he's learning Chinese these days. He started watching some Chinese cartoon, and now
He just say right moment. He say P3, which means shut up.
And Gonu says that the accent is perfect. Is it perfect?
Because I think he copy exactly same as like YouTube. Oh, wait. 야, 저기 소리가 안 나.
Now we've finished The King. I think the last vlog you saw, in that we were watching which one?
Revolutionary Love.
Revolutionary Love. Then we watched this drama called The King, which was good but super confusing. I don't know. There was just a lot of time travel and movement from one world to another, and I don't know how many worlds were there, and
But don't
future, past,
worry.
present.
You know, for the K-drama lovers, especially girls,
They will love
don't
it.
care.
They will love it.
Why? Because of one actor.
Because the actors.
Because of that actor is famous, so they don't care.
But yeah, me bhopcha phada. Like my brain was crowded. And now we are watching an old drama actually, and I've already seen it. So every episode I watch, I start remembering what happened.
We just finished
But
watching the one movie yesterday, na?
Minari. I'm sure most of you must have seen it. Even if you haven't, you can go and watch it. And today's super healthy kind of dinner: baked potato, baked chicken, and baked veggies. वो दोनों खरीदना. Actually,
Brush time.
सारा खा गया. हाँ, वो टंग क्लीनर बड़ा अच्छा है. I can make out कि अच्छे से हो जाएगी उससे इसकी टंग क्लीन. Oh, please.
We are about to sleep. After dinner, we are now just back to the room. And mommy brush time for Young Jay.
Only from mommy he brushed them properly.
He finds this sofa like very comfortable that he wants to sleep there only since yesterday. Yesterday also, today also he's lying there only. He's Mama Chipku. Even he pushed me out of the room also, twice.
And I'm also his phone stand.
Okay, time to sleep now.
Good night.
Good night. I hope you enjoy our vlog, and hope to see you guys soon. And please take care during this pandemic time. Okay, bye.